A very good morning to all. This is Tejshri. I'm from Ambur, near to Vellore, a state of Tamil Nadu. I'm here in the video submission of Data Science Mentor Internship program from devtown. So, yeah, a short intro of mine. This is Tejshri, as I said before, and I'm currently pursuing a data science course in some online platform. I'm still in the process of learning. I would like to engage with the students, to talk with them, to share a knowledge with them. I would see like it is always bringing the knowledge from anyone else, whoever it may be. Yeah, and as I have previously worked as in Sifi Technologies Chennai as a service desk associate, where I can interact with the customers and uh, leading myself as a first point of contact from a customer side. And then it's I get a spark about why not I'm in the field of data science. As people, everyone talks about the data, how the data is very much important nowadays. So by thoughtful, I'm here. Yes, today for here I'm taking the topic as data science basics, which includes cleaning, preparation, and feature engineering. Firstly, we'll talk about what is data science that everyone talks about data. So, data science, the word itself says there is science behind it about the data. Yes, well, it's all about predicting the things, what's going to happen, how it going to happen in future. Uh, a short example I like to share here. Let me take a temperature data. Okay, we'll be having a temperature data a daily basis in our hands. So we'll be predicting how the next year this state the temperature would be. Okay, by having all those past data, we'll be predicting that we are able to do that. And also from nextly these predictions how much helpful during the pandemic times the people has been predicting when the wave will come. These are not all done by using these predictions and all. Okay, yeah, let's get into the data cleaning, data preparation, and feature engineering. Why we have to do that? As will be having some role like data scientist, data analyst, we'll be running some projects by having a data sets. So that data sets must be a noisy, must be a error. So we have to clear it out all those noisy, errorless, missing datas, null datas, and we have to prepare our data like removing the outliers. We have to do some feature transformation, scaling, engineering, and all. So, guys, don't fear on that. This is the basic words that we get into the uh, field of data science. We'll explain you each and everything. Okay. Firstly, it starts with the data cleaning. I get some. Yeah, here's a simple one. A data pre-processing involves cleaning, transforming raw and structured data into a structured. Okay, unstructured data means you must be know, right. It has been not a structured format like strings. Basically, I'm saying strings, integer, float, everything has been mixed up. So we'll be making a structure. Why we have to make it as a structure? Because our model predictions. So we have to ensure that our final data set would be clean, structured, and ready for our modeling. Okay. Okay. So this is simple. Firstly, we have to collect the data that mostly we'll be getting through the data sets has been shared to us. How like guys think about it? How the data set has been made. So, for example, we'll be talking about temperature data, right? It is captured by the machines usually. Okay. uh, how the noisiness will happen if everything else goes with the machine. So if there is, suppose there is a power cut in one area, so that time machine won't work, so that time has been filled with null value, or else it will keep all the values, and at a time it is putting so values has been increased. So it is sometimes like an outlier values. Outlier simply means the data is very much far from the actual data. Simply, guys, let me explain you like we'll be having the age data. So mostly, probably nowadays people wouldn't stand the range of 70s and 80s nowadays. The data shows like five members are 100, 200, 150. I'm telling about the age 177. So is this the possible age, guys? No, right? So this is what an outlier. These 179, the age is called outlier. This data is very much far and unsuspicious data from all other data. So we should take some action towards the data. Either we remove it, or if it is row is very important, we have to keep it by imputing some values. Okay. So here is the data cleaning process. Then a data transformation, guys. The same, we have to transform our data, like we'll be applying some scaling methodologies. If it is for non-linear, we'll be applying some log, square roots, transformation and all. Then we have to reduce the data reduction without any data loss. We have to reduce the dimensionality, or selecting the important features for our next model predictions. Then we have to split our data into training and testing data. Okay, this is like a data preparation for our model prediction. Let me have a practical example for this. I'll be taking the flight fare prediction. Simply, I will explain you in few words. If you're having the data set of the flight fare, this is what actually after running. Here we are gonna predict the price. If there is application, I'm entering the source, a destination, the airline which I choose, and I'm clicking and all, and that application provides the price. Okay, depends on every data that we give, either it will be a festival time, or is a night time, morning, everything it includes. So for that data preparation, we have to start with the understanding of the data. Like I'll be checking the info. Here we get to know the null columns, data types and all. And then I'm checking, I'm describing my data. Okay, I'm just including the objects. If I remove, I'll only get to know the numerical column, price, the count, mean, standard deviation and all. Okay, then I'm checking the shape, data types, everything. Here is an object, everything. As we know that machine can only understand the binary digit, that is zeros and ones. We have to convert this everything into that. Okay, that is what the data preparation goes on. We will be creating the base for that. I'm checking is there any duplicate. Then I got to know that is 220 rows has been duplicated. Then I'm checking the null columns. There is one and one. Okay, there is two null values, and I'm checking here it is actually none, guys. Then I'm dropping it. Okay, there is only one column which is no use on that. I'm just dropping it. So we'll be talking about cleaning, preparation, feature engineering. It's all about the one word we have to say. It is EDA, exploratory data analysis. It is something called a data about a data, right? Why we have been doing all these steps? We'll say to make an structured data for our model prediction. That only your model accuracy would be good. Okay. Here I am create feature engineering means creating a new column from the existing column. Here in existing columns, the date of journey is present, date, month, year. Here I need only date is enough, because year is common. I'll be taking only date, and I'll be taking only month. And then I am dropping the date of journey, which is no use. Already we have extracted the day and month. This is how it works. So this as goes on, time we'll have a look on this, no issues. So hope you understand. And finally, where you will be using that application, as I have already discussed, this might be useful for every data sets while we getting entered in the real time project what are we have been predicting. And also we have a nutrition paradox project, like here I'll be predicting in a worldwide which country has mostly affected from an obesity and malnutrition. In the context, it's not only using this domain and that domain. It has been covered each and every domain nowadays as booming of the AI. We'll be using in the part of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, Okay, in mechanical we'll be analyzing the machine's performance. Okay, how it will boom if the person, if the company is whatever the products, if the company is producing medicines, they will analyze like where we can launch this product, how the impact of the sales. So we all going to analyze using the data scientist and data analysis. And also it has been differently named like data analyst, quality analyst, business analyst. So it is all in the form of data science. Guys, simply data science is a book, guys, book. In this we'll be studying all the chapters like Python, SQL, the Python library. Statistics plays a major role here. Then Power BI for visualizing our thoughts, insights to the non-IT person to explain it clearly. Yeah, it is. This is what, guys. Hope you enjoyed my session. Thank you.